Welcome to our latest video. In this video, we're going to be discussing the importance of money over mental wellness. Is money everything? We'll be exploring why money plays an important role in our lives and how it can impact our mental well-being. We'll also be sharing some powerful quotes and tips on finding a balance and ensuring that financial stability and mental wellness are given the attention they deserve. This video is perfect for anyone looking to improve their overall well-being and achieve financial stability. So, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this. Money is the driving force behind our everyday lives. It's what allows us to access necessities such as food and shelter, but also opens doors to opportunities for education and personal growth. It's not just limited to our daily lives, but money plays a vital role in our social and economic systems, helping us exchange goods and services, create jobs, and drive economic growth. Imagine the feeling of security and stability that comes with having enough money to pay bills and have a safety net for unexpected expenses. It can greatly improve our mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. In conclusion, money is the key to meeting our basic needs, achieving our goals, and being an active member of our communities and economy. Without financial stability, it can be a struggle to make ends meet and reach our aspirations. Did you know that money has a fascinating history? It's more ancient than you might think. The concept of using standardized forms of currency, like coins and paper money, has only been around for a few thousand years. Can you imagine using seashells, salt, or even livestock as a form of currency? The evolution of money is truly intriguing and worth exploring. Money can play a crucial role in boosting your mental wellness. Imagine the sense of security and peace of mind that comes with financial stability, no more worrying about bills or unexpected expenses. Not only that, but having enough money to meet your needs and achieve your goals can significantly increase your self-esteem and overall sense of well-being. With money comes access to resources that can improve your mental health, such as therapy or medication. And let's not forget the power of leisure activities, vacations, and other experiences that can greatly enhance your mood and reduce stress. Money also gives you a sense of control and autonomy over your life, leading to a greater sense of self-worth and mental well-being. So, overall, money can bring a lot of positivity into our life. Money can be a double-edged sword, bringing joy and stability, but too much or too little of it can lead to stress, anxiety, and other negative effects on our mental health. It's crucial to find a balance, strike the right equilibrium, and be aware of how money impacts our mental wellness. Being mindful of our finances and finding a balance can help us lead happier and healthier life. Money is an important part of our lives, but it's not everything. Finding the right balance between our financial goals and our mental well-being is the key to a fulfilling and satisfying life. Money indeed plays a vital role in our lives, but an excessive focus on it at the expense of our mental wellness can have detrimental effects on our mental health, such as stress, anxiety, and more. It's crucial to strike a balance and ensure that both financial stability and mental wellness are given the attention they deserve. We must strive for a harmonious balance between our financial goals and our well-being. It's not about having the most money, it's about finding a balance that allows us to live a happy and fulfilled life. Perfect balance between financial stability and mental wellness is possible by setting financial goals that align with your overall life goals and values. This way, your pursuit of financial stability will be in harmony with your well-being, and you can achieve both simultaneously. Another way to achieve balance is by having a support system in place, whether it's friends, family, or a professional therapist. They can be a great listening ear, a sounding board for your thoughts and emotions, and a guide to help you navigate any challenges that may arise in your quest for balance. It's always helpful to have someone to share your worries and successes with and to help you stay on track. In a nutshell, financial stability is an important aspect of our lives. It's the foundation of meeting our basic needs and reaching our goals. But it's equally important to keep in mind the significance of mental wellness and strive for a balance between the two. To achieve this balance, it's essential to set financial goals that align with your overall life goals and values and have a support system in place to help you navigate any challenges that may arise. So, take a moment to evaluate your financial goals and how they align with your overall well-being. Remember, money is important, but a balanced and healthy life is priceless.